This is the 2022 Lemborghini Urus, and I'm going to show it to you. Let's take a quick look. Now for starters, the Urus has a unique face. It's based on the Audi RS Q8, but it has a completely different exterior design and a price tag to match, because this SUV starts at around $230,000. Now, despite its enormous price tag, the Urus has plenty of performance on offer. You have a twin-turbo 4-liter V8 under the hood, makes 650 horsepower and 626 pound-feet of torque. That shoots this massive SUV to 60 in just under 3.8 seconds. Now, more importantly, the Urus has carbon ceramic brakes. Now, these are the biggest ever fitted to a production car ever, and they work excellently. Next, we have to talk about the Urus's interior, because I feel it's really sharp. You have this awesome digital instrument cluster in front of the driver. Then you have a primary infotainment screen. Then you have a second screen with all of your HVAC controls. And then you have this really cool gear selector. It's very similar to what you get in the Huracan. You have your driving modes right there. You have also your individual picks right there. And the red switch to start and stop. Very cool. Now, all of the stitching you see here is done by hand, and the Urus is built in its own brand new factory. So the quality in here is fantastic. The quality of the leather, all of the stitching throughout is done really well. We even have leather in the headliner. Again, this is a six-figure price tag vehicle with an interior to match. Now let's get to the reason why these vehicles sell so freaking quickly, and that's because you have enough space for your family, unlike pretty much any other Lamborghini model ever. There's a ton of room back here. Check out the contrasting colors in that door panel from the white and black. You also have white seat belts, which I think are really neat. And obviously a huge selling point is the fact that you have a ton of storage. But to me, the thing that stands out the most about the Urus is just how incredibly quick it is despite its size. The carbon ceramic brakes, its adaptive suspension, it all just works so well to provide a driving experience in a huge SUV that's actually fun. And that's the 2022 Lemborghini Urus.